Hey everyone, this is Mohit. Welcome back to my channel. In today's session, we are just going back to the basics. Just like old school days, you will learn about if-else statements, the switch activity, and different types of loops available in UiPath. The first topic for today's session is if-else in UiPath. If-else in control flow means choosing between two actions based on a condition. The condition is true, do one thing, else do another. Here you can see the condition is true, do one thing, else do another. UiPath does support if-else if logic, but not as a separate activity called else if. Instead, you implement it using nested if activities or a switch activity. Let's switch to the UiPath Studio and try this out practically. Please follow the steps very carefully and review the activity annotations. Now, let's move on to our next topic, that is switch activity. Switch is useful when you have more than two possible branches. Instead of using multiple if conditions, you use a single switch to manage all possible cases. Let's switch to the UiPath Studio and try this out practically. Please follow the steps very carefully and review the activity annotations. The next topic we will be learning about is loops. Loops allow your automation to repeat certain actions until a specific condition is met. The very first one is for each loop. It's used when you want to iterate through a list, array, data table rows, or collections. Another one is while loop. You will generally see a very common loop, that is while loop. It executes the activity block as long as the condition is true. Another, not so important, but generally used based on the scenarios or based on the other conditions, right? Do while loop. This loop runs the action first and checks the condition afterwards. Again, let's switch to the UiPath Studio and try this out practically. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support really keeps me motivated to create more awesome videos. Thank you everyone.